Alright, back again. Bash is made and made installed. Now, run the newly compiled bash program replacing the one that is currently being executed. Clear. Execute bin bash login plus H. Okay. Bash is done. I want to BC. Basic calculator. tar xvf BC. CD into BC. And let's say configure prefix equals user with read line man directory equals user share man info dir equals user share info. Okay. Make and make install. Should be okay. Make and make install. I really don't remember why BC took so long on the other machine. Well, I installed BC for LFS 7.3 and the BLFS, but I forget why. It was a dependency for something, and I forget what it was. Okay. Make and make install. And let's go to libtool. My mic cord gives me shocks. It's kind of like torture, really, because it feels like an ant sting. It's a really odd feeling. Feels like feels like the computer is trying to kill me or something. like I'm being like slave labor or something on this. I slow up a little bit. Don't type as fast, and I get a shock. Like the make and make install. Like a Chinese sensei, trying to toughen me up and, you type faster. You'll think like the machine. My Chinese accent is not working. I don't care. You get the idea. Alright, make install. Libtool. Move libtool. GDBM. CD into GDBM. Run configure. Prefix equals user. Enable. Lib. GDBM. Dash compat. Make and make install. Fly on that. Those are iNet utils. Which once again, good job devs putting that in. Really appreciate that. Make ow. That was audible. I'm really getting shocked. Somebody please listen. Listen. If you want to see any more LFS videos, somebody please pile up some money, man, and get me some tar tape or electrical tape. Right? Hey, electrical tape for my mic. It's shocking me. Please send tape fast. Send tape fast. Okay? Getting burnt up over here, man. That bad, it feels like a little. It feels like an ant sting or something, but it's enough to just make you be like, oh no, what the heck? You know? A GDPM. Tor XVF, iNet Utils. It's really a different feeling. It's not really even a pleasant feeling either. You know, I tried to situate it so I really won't get bit that bad, but man, we're not expecting it infrequently. Kind of sucks. Path underscore proc net underscore dev. We're going to pop over space, let's say proc net dev. Double graders into if config system linux.h. Alright, so say echo define path underscore procnet dev procnet dev into if config system linux.h. Okay. Dot run configure prefix equals user local state directory equals var disable logger disable syslog d local state var or local state equals var local state dir equals var disable logger disable syslog d. What else? Disable who is disable servers, and we can just run make and make install. This option disable building iNet utils who is client, which is out of date. Instructions for better who is client are in the BLFS book. I did not know that. Disable servers, installation of basic LFS system, more secure nature, only Here's no logger program. Syslog daemon. Not installed because Linux installed a version earlier. Okay. Cool deal. Make and make install. Here we get the very basics of internet connectivity, maybe I want to say. I don't know. We get an FTP from iNet utils. We get ifconfig. We get host name, ping, traceroute, I think. Traceroute. You know, we can really troubleshoot a network. Where before, you know, when you just had IFCG and I don't know, something else. Was it route EL, route L, stuff like that? Where you just had those, you still couldn't get online. Well, maybe you could, but I didn't figure out how to. I didn't really try to either. I didn't really try that hard. But You had all those programs, but there was no DHCP. No, there's still no DHCP really. I think so. No, there isn't. Where am I at? Make and make install. But at least with this, I mean, you get FTP. You know, you can ping your you can ping and do some network how to with this version of LFS right out the box. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Trace route, you know, you can see where you gotta go. Telnet, that's cool too. You know. So it's definitely something that's nice to have in the LFS package. In the basic build. I really like that idea. Good job, devs. Now please, fix the hierarchy links. We'll run into them again. They've been screwed up since 6.8, I think. Need to fix them links, man. Trace. Route. Bin. C. Move verbose. User bin hostname. Ping. Ping 6. Trace route to bin. Move verbose. User bin. I have config to sbin. Good. INetUtils is done. Ping 6 RPC, RCP, remote file copy. TFTP. Nice. Perl. Remove INetUtils. tar xvf Perl. Perl is a little extensive. Or intense, maybe. Oh god, not all this crazy seds again. But yeah, that's Perl. And it takes a little bit of time to build Perl. Ain't nothing to do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Echo 127.0.0.1 local host $, encapsulate host name into Etsy hosts. Set I E S. Let's say build underscore z lib escape s all equals base true. Replace that with build underscore z lib space equals space false. Build underscore zlib escape s all equals space true. Build zlib false. And let's come in a little. And we're going to say replace include escape all s /s all equals space zlib dash source include space, just line this up right here, underscore space user include, pop this over. Very, very careful. User include. Okay, and we'll come over here. More of this set. Lib escape s all equals space dot / clib source with lib. Tell the server just past the e. Space user lib bad feeling, man. Get this weird feeling like I'm wrong somewhere. Nope, everything checks out. cpan compress raw zlib config.in. Okay, that's done. Now sh configure des d prefix equals user. D vendor prefix equals user. D man wonder equals user share man 1. D man 3 dir equals user share man 3. D pager equals encapsulate / user bin less space is capital R. D uses or use share plib. Alright, let's take a pause and we'll look at this. sh configure prefix equals user. D vendor prefix equals user. D mander equals user share man 1. And D man 3 dir equals user share man 3. D pager user bin less. Great. Good. Run it. Make install. I think there's actually, it's a lot involved in the configure, so I don't know. I forget what pro. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to run any tests on this. Let this configure go. And off camera I'm going to run make install. Okay. When I come back, we'll be at the very last part of the make install, so you can see my results. Should have no errors. We'll keep going. Okay, 6.38. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.